So the company's been around since 1937. Started in a garage in Minneapolis. It started out with 2 people. Now we're nearly 100 people.
It's about passion. People that work at Minneapolis Glass are drawn to each other, they're drawn to solving problems, and they're passionate about what they do every single day.
Attaboy, Ryan.
Minneapolis Glass is both a construction company and a manufacturing company.
Our mission as an organization is to provide customized glass and glazing solutions to our customers. We want to take all the guesswork out. We want to be the glass experts.
That is what it should come out and look like.
Minneapolis Glass has a huge focus on process innovation. We take pride in making sure that the applications, the glass, and the manufacturing all work together so that you have a product that lasts a lifetime.
What our technology allows us to do is deliver our fabricated glass that we 100% control on time, 99% of the time.
In some ways, Minneapolis Glass is more of a technology company than a glass company. And we really marry the software with the automation and then the hands-on craftsmanship to make sure that we're achieving the best possible result.
With our capacity system, we know how long everything takes. When you come to us and you say, we need a piece of glass that has XYZ fabrication, we've already done time studies and know how long it takes to do that. And so when that order enters our capacity system, it reserves that capacity for your order. With all the data that we've collected and that we have and that we're capturing and that we're using, we're able to meet our customers' needs while also providing our employees good work-life balance.
This building was designed with an emphasis on moving material through the building efficiently. From the moment that the glass enters our building on large semi-trucks, that then enters our cutting line and our cutting storage area, that then moves on to the various different fabrication cells that we have within on the glass side. So that could be edging, that could be seaming, that could be tempering, that could be painting, that could be sandblasting, filming, taping, and crating of glass. And the same building that we are cutting glass, fabricating glass, drilling holes and notches in glass, painting glass, and all the other different types of processes that we do to glass. We are also cutting aluminum extrusions, building frames, building doors, building side lights, building curtain wall enclosures that are going into our commercial glazing projects. Product enters from one side of the building and then moves efficiently out the other side of the building. There's less lifting, there's less movement, there's less pushing of heavy glass. And by relying on equipment to do that, we can also provide our employees a safer work environment. We do recycle all of our glass. We recycle our metal cutoffs from our commercial side of the business. We also installed a state-of-the-art water processing system that recycles 99% of the water that is used in our glass fabrication equipment.
At Minneapolis Glass, we can handle exterior glazing, interior glazing, as well as finishes. All of our installers are union qualified and trained. We average 20 years experience per glazer, so we're proud of that.
No more, Rye. There you go. Coming down.
Good. Coming down.
Perfect.
A lot of other companies only specialize in certain areas of the trade. Minneapolis Glass does a good job of doing multiple different types of framing and hardware and doors and heavy wall, and you get a little bit of everything.
Everything we do is custom. Everything we do is fabricated per job, per the field dimensions. We're sourcing it, we're installing it. As far as pre-construction process, we love when GCs and architects approach us in the early stages of a project to help design build the project and keep things within budget. Something we take pride in is our pre-construction review. If we're all on the same page going into it, we can flow right through the process and complete the project on time, eliminating change orders, eliminating added costs to the owner. We get the go-ahead on a job, those guys are moving to keep everything on schedule. Within our metal fabrication shop, we can actually build the doors in-house, which allows us to control our own destiny as far as lead times go. Prep your door, hinge cutouts, whatever hardware happens to be on that door, we do that all here in our metal shop. Everything's digital. A seamless process eliminates human error.
Pride is a great way to think about what's unique at Minneapolis Glass because each and every person really takes ownership coming in and delivering great product.
The capabilities that we have here are endless. It's really rewarding to see at the end, from start to finish, what we come up with.
We strive to be better and better every day, and that makes me very, very proud.
So we're going to set this in place, slide her back home. Beautiful.
this is a special place. And there's unique individuals that work here, and this is not just brick and mortar and a bunch of people that come here as a job.
That lines up really nice. All right, there you have it.